One of the significant challenges faced by 80% of coaches, marketers, and content creators is the task of creating captivating reels. This challenge often leads many to either skip this practice or overspend on outsourcing to agencies. If this resonates with you, then listen on. How would you like if you discovered a solution that allows you to effortlessly achieve the following three things? 1. Create 30 engaging reels in a day to fuel your entire month. 2. Craft these reels using free AI, Canva, and other tools. And 3. Achieve your key goal of generating leads through consistent social media marketing. Sounds intriguing? Let's dive in. I'm Deepak Dhiman, your go to guy for all things creativity and entrepreneurship. As a creative alchemist, successful entrepreneur, and a passionate creativity coach, I'm here to help you unleash your creative potential and guide you to becoming a creative alchemist too. Throughout my 15 years of running a creative agency in Dubai, I have generated over 10,000 ideas without relying on AI or Canva. My clients joyfully addressed me as a man of ideas. My strength lies in initiating ideas through my creative mindset first and leveraging on AI and other tools later. With an MBA under my belt, I have evolved as a creative professional, mastering various skills including AI, content creation, graphic design, programming, video production, podcasting, event management, exhibitions, branding, website design, radio commercials, SMS and email marketing, and social media marketing. This wealth of experience positions me as a seasoned creative professional prepared to share valuable insights and secrets with you. While AI is a powerful resource, using it effectively is crucial. The conventional approach involves obtaining the output using the commonly used prompts and copying and pasting whatever is generated by AI. However, my approach to AI is both creative and collaborative, stemming from years of experience in the creative industry. On the other hand, my creative mindset complements me to make the most of what Canva offers in terms of features and resources. By harnessing the power of three key factors, my mind, AI, and Canva, I have empowered my creative process over the years and am eager to share the insights with you. Now ask yourself a question. Are you prepared to elevate your social media game? If your answer is a definite yes, then join my webinar and enhance your social media marketing and content creation, whether you are a coach, an entrepreneur, a marketer, or content creator. Together, let's do something amazing. See you at the webinar.